Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to simply teach you how you can add subtitles or captions to a video on Premiere Pro. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Basically, you're going to click on this icon which says new item, and you're simply going to go ahead and add adjustment layer. And you're going to put the settings of your video itself and click OK, and you're going to drag this adjustment layer on top of the video, as you can see. And you can make it however long you want by simply just dragging the edge of the video, as you can see, like I'm doing. Like I can shorten it or even elongate it. So now, in order for you to go ahead and add captions to this, simply click on effects, and then on the search bar, search for text. And once you have searched for text, you're going to click on this plugin right here which says simple text, and you're going to drag it on top of the adjustment layer. And as you can see, the caption have already popped up in our video. So what you're going to do to edit this is on the top there's going to be effect controls. As you can see, you're going to scroll down and there is going to be simple text. You can simply click on edit text and it will basically give you the option to change what's written on the screen. And once you have entered your caption, whatever you want, you can simply click OK. So as you can see, there is our caption on the video. So let's just say you want to add something else, like if it's someone talking, there should be captions after captions, right? All you can do is just hold Alt on your Windows or Options on your Mac and just drag it. So there is going to be a duplicate, and this duplicate you can simply click on edit text and just change it to whatever you want, as you can see. And if you want it shorter, you can make it shorter. If you want it longer, you can make it longer. And yeah, that is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.